Welcome to episode 96 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be introducing tremolo, sort of on a very basic level. Tremolo is just hitting the same note over and over again with different fingers, so like this. That's basically it. Or there's a lot of different ways to do tremolo, but it all involves hitting the same note on the same string with multiple fingers in a row. And it's really great for coordination, for getting your fingers working together, and also aim, because your fingers have to arrive in the same place right after each other, and for tone, because it's really easy, or it's really difficult to get the same tone from each note. That's really what you want to go for. So let's start with just an E major chord. We're going to be playing notes individually, but I think it's useful to have a chord, make it sound a bit more musical. Let's just start on the top E string, and using your thumb, index, and middle fingers. And you can do tremolo in one of two directions. You can either start with your thumb, then index in the middle, and play it over and over again like that. Or you can lead with your middle finger and go like this, backwards, middle, index, thumb. And I think it's good to practice both ways, and just always work on tone. Try to minimize finger noise, which is tough to do. And just try to get a really even volume level, and even rhythmically from it. And that's probably the easiest string to do it on, and you can move on to the other strings, like the second string. It's definitely more difficult because you don't have as much room to maneuver in, but it's a good challenge. Starting with the thumb, then the middle finger. And so on, all the way down through the string to the sixth string. And then the middle finger first. The other tremolo you can try is with your index, middle, and ring fingers. So I-M-A. And again, you can do it starting with the index finger, index, middle, ring, and then also ring, middle, index. So starting just index, middle, ring on the top E string. And I usually rest my thumb on the next string down when I'm doing this. And again, just trying for the same tone, the same volume level, and very even rhythmically. Starting with the ring, going middle, ring, middle, index. Going down to the next string. Again, it's very difficult to do it on the, or more difficult to do it on the inside strings because you have the other strings right next to you. You don't want to hit any of those. But try it that way. Again, leading with the index and then leading with the ring. So index, middle, ring. Just do that over and over again. And then ring, middle, index. All the way down to the low string. Always just trying for the same volume and the same rhythm like that. It's really good for your finger coordination and strength and tone, all the things that you need to work on as you're getting established in fingerstyle guitar. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any questions or comments you may have, and thanks for watching.